wanted to get it right. Trying to find some balance in my life. I never really put up a fight.
Hi guys and welcome. I am Stephanie and thanks for stopping by my channel. We do a lot of unboxing, a lot of reseller content, a lot of that. So I'm back again with an unboxing from ThredUp because I did love my first box that I got, and then I ordered 2 more. I just did an unboxing reveal for my second box and it was 2 thumbs down. So now I got my third box, so let's look into it. I did get this little blazer from Target, like Mossimo, in my second box that I didn't like, so I'm wearing it because I think I might keep it. What do you guys think? Should I try to sell it Plato's Closet, or should I just keep it? Okay, enough of that. Let's just jump into my box. So this box also came from Arizona. My last 2 boxes have come from Arizona. 1 good box, 1 crappy box. So let's decide what they send here. I have another one coming in the mail, and I'm debating whether I should get another one. Just, you know, tiebreakers. I don't know. Life, right? So this box, I also didn't get my little polka dotted tissue paper. I just get my little invoice of saying I got my 25 items of mixed clothing. And that's it. Okay, so at the top we have this really bright pink top that is from, I have no idea. I'm not even gonna try to pronounce it because I'll totally butcher it. But it's this like lightweight pink top with buttons. It kind of wants to give me dry fit, but then it kind of wants to give me like it's a blouse. It's not like a workout top. So I don't know. But it is a size extra small. Let me know if you've heard of this brand and if it's crap or not. Okay, next we have this like really colorful printed dress that is from, is that Day Trip? I've never heard of this brand. I don't know if it's like a black brand. Where do we buy this brand? It does have adjustable straps. It does have like a stretchy back. It's just like a printed dress with pockets, and it's double lined. It's a small. Oh, it has like a zipper here with like this ruching type of look. I mean, okay, next we have this sweater that just has a medium tag. It gives you like Long Johnny vibes, like this material. What is this material called? I don't know. It has a hoodie. You know, for somebody that resells clothes, I don't know a lot of crap. Don't judge me, guys. It is 100% polyester. It doesn't have a brand. It just does have a size tag. So, I mean, it's pretty new condition. So far, the box is, it always starts out that way, right? This tag looks to be like Old Navy, but it does have like this barcode on here. It just gives me Old Navy vibes, right? It does have this care tag. Do you guys say Old Navy on here? These are just a pull-on pant. They have this pinstripe look. They're kind of like stretch, elastic waist. I mean, they're decent. Okay, I was excited about this box and now I'm not. I got a New Day, which is probably Target, right? I think it's Target. It's just like this really pretty gold, like shimmery blouse that you could probably dress up, dress down, put a blazer over it. I mean, it's pretty. It's like a champagne type of gold, like a light gold. It's a size extra large. Okay, next I got this sweater from Merona, which is also, I think, Target. It's kind of giving you like schoolgirl vibes. Like this little vest. It's not a vest, like this little cardigan sweater button up with the print. This is like in okay condition. The other stuff is kind of like new, but this is just, you can tell it's been washed. Another Merona top. This one is a size large. This is just like a little cami type of printed top. You can wear it on its own. You can layer it. It's great and lightweight for the summertime. I got a Fashion Nova top. This is like a little tube top, a little peplum flare out there. It's got a zipper in the back. I don't know what the size is. Oh, actually, this is a romper. It's a size extra small. Because I thought this was a shirt. So, yeah, it's for like, it's really, you can either be showing some tush or you're going to be showing some hop here because it's kind of like, maybe. I got a sweater from Universal Thread. It's a size extra small. It's like a little cardigan. I mean, it's okay. It has like the pockets. Great little cover up. What in the world is this? Acceleration. This is another Target brand. This is a dress, size large. It has like your basic top up top, and then it has this printed bottom skirt. I mean, I don't know. Got a lot of Target in here. Here's another one. This one is a size large. It's a top. Has like this look up here. It's like an army green. It's like a little lightweight top, long sleeve. Another Merona. This is a Target box. This one's like a nicer type of little cover-up cardigan type of sweater. Size small. Divided from H&M. Top. This is a size 8. It's a dress. It's like a red dress. It's cute. Has like this like feel. This box sucks. Like the last box too didn't really have anything new with tags. As I say, new with tags. Here's an All-in Motion. Size medium. This is new with tags. It's like a little workout skirt. Like a skirt, like a tennis skirt. I'm getting tennis skirt vibes. It does have like the bottoms on the inside that are tights. All-in Motion mid-rise skirt. It retails for $28. So in the last video, I wasn't sure where this is from, but I think it's Target. This gives me Target tag vibes, right? Let me know if I'm wrong. I'm dumb. But it's a cute, like, off-white skirt. But anyways, as I was saying, like, my first box had a lot of new tags. In this last box, the second box, I don't know if I had maybe 1 or 2 things. So far, on this box, I only have 1. This is from Joy Lab. Never heard of this brand. It does have, like, their little logo back here. It has, like, this material. These are a size extra large. I don't know. Let me know about this brand. It has like this slit here. Who sells this? I don't know. See, and so another reason why I like these brands, these boxes, is because I get a lot of brands I have no clue about, and so I learn about it. I would have never picked up that stuff at the bins. I got an H&M shirt. This is actually it's a dress. It's actually pretty. Has like this sheer sleeve. You can't tell that it's sheer. Like you can see my fingers. It's cute-ish. It's a size 8. Come on, good stuff. Just throw some magic. Good stuff. Knit a wand. Okay, I got something new with tags. This is from, this looks Target-ish. What is this? Colsey? Am I wrong that is it not from Target? It looks like a Target tag. But they're new with tags. They're leggings. They're a size medium. They're like an ash gray with like black. They retail for, I don't know because it doesn't tell me. Okay, next we have another H&M sweater. It's a size large. It has this look here. It's just like a tan long sleeve. I got another piece with tags. This is like a jacket. It's a pretty jacket. What's the material? It feels woolish. I don't see like a care tag or a size tag, which is weird. I don't know, but do you guys know where the heck is this a good brand? Is it See You? Hope to see you soon. Oh, hope to see you again. Where does one buy this? Is it a crappy brand? Have you heard of this brand? I guess I'm gonna have to Google this store. But it's a cute little jacket. I don't know that it would sell anytime soon. I got a Forever 21 dress that kind of wants to be new with tags because it has no tag. It's a size small. It's like a pretty color. It's okay. Forever 21 won't sell for that. Maybe Plato's Closet will take Forever 21. Here is another H&M. This is a pant. These are a size 6. They're kind of like cute if you look past all the wrinkles. They have like this high-waisted. They would fit me like right up here. But they're cute. Okay, what are these? We got some like printed pants. They have a zipper bag. They are from Corey Lynn Carter. Have we heard of this brand? They are a size 2. They're like, they look to be decent. They're lined. If you know who sells this, let me know in the comments, please. Always love your help. Now we have another H&M. This is an H&M box and a Target box. This is actually kind of cute. I love color. It looks like it'll shrink if you put it in the dryer, and it does look like it needs to have my little sweater shaver attack it because it's a size extra small. I got 2 more pieces. Okay, what is this brand? Is it Aloe? I've never heard of it. It's a nice jacket actually. Has a logo on the back. Is this like a, what size are you? It's an extra small, huh? I don't know if this is a good brand, but it feels like a good brand, and oh my god, it's so comfortable. I kind of like it for me. It, like, you can tell this is like a workout. I mean, it feels like a workout type of top. This is super comfortable. This has to be a decent brand, right? Or is it a crappy brand and I just love crappy brands? I mean, I don't know, luxury from not, but ooh, so comfortable. Okay, now the last thing is this coat. They put the jackets at the bottom. It is from H&M. It is a size 6 and it's really pretty. Like a nice little like winter coat. Let's try this one out, dude. Okay, guys. This was supposed to be an unboxing, but I kind of feel like it's like a try on with me, a try on haul. Like it does go lengthier. I mean, this is cute, right? I mean, what do we think? Should we keep it? I mean, it's cute. I still think my first box is like the best box when it comes to brands. The second box was this box was I mean, I do like these last 2 jackets at the end, but I like them for me. I don't even know. I mean, H&M, I don't know if it's going to sell for very much. Probably not. Maybe at like a Plato's Closet or a Style Encore. But like this jacket for under $3, I may keep it. It doesn't get cold in Texas, but it's kind of cute. Like if I went out somewhere, I could dress it up. If you know any of these brands that I may have struggled with, please let me know whatever knowledge you know. in the comments down below. Let me know what you think about my box. I appreciate you guys watching. Stay tuned. I do have another box coming in the mail. I don't know if that one's going to be any better. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys next time. Bye.